07 Honda Civic, and I'm having some issues with the car starting. As far as I know, it's getting spark, and I just put a fuel relay. I put a fuel pump a while ago. I'm not hearing anything. I have the OBD2 to OBD1 adapter and the GSR 95 ECU connected. I had the OBD2 single cam manual ECU connected for a little bit to see if that would help, but I still don't hear the fuel pump priming. And fuel box has been relocated, but I'm not sure if that's the issue. If you guys have a suggestion maybe about that, let me know. I also have right now a temporary setup. I'm going to put a power block for the power wire, but this is kind of what I got. These two power wires going to this bigger power wire going to the trunk, to the battery I got back there, and everything as far as I know is connected. I got extra grounds too. Here's one of them, a couple back there, a couple on that side there. Go ahead, crank it for me. It just won't start. It's not getting no prime from the fuel pump. Should I just rig a temporary power setup or something to the fuse, to the fuel pump? Give me some suggestions, please. Thank you.